bullish week for NatGas, and finally it has achieved my near-term target for $3 levels. Remember, I have been recommending a buy since 2.06. Then here also we have been saying that you can remain long in NatGas. It is going to achieve $3 levels. Now what to expect next? Can it march ahead on the upside, or is it going to show you as a pullback? Which position you should take trading natural gas next week? We will see with the help of charts followed with indicators. Towards the end, I will summarize, conclude, and then give you the trading levels and strategy for next week. Do watch till the do press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day targets which I share for natural gas, first with the Asia session and Europe session, and next with the US session. These two daily targets and analysis definitely will add meaning to your day trading decisions. And yes, your every like and comment is a great appreciation and motivation for me, as this inspires me to deliver consistently on time every time and to the best of my abilities. And yes, do share and subscribe as well. With that, let's start. Now look at gas on the weekly charts. It has given higher highs, higher lows. Yes, 2.5 is now the base. In any case, it should not break below 2.48 in the near future. If it breaks below 2.48, that is the point below which only we should turn bearish. Else, NatGas is going to continue with the bullish momentum. That is what it appears as of now. Why we can say so? See, first of all, look at the behavior on NatGas. Bottom here, 3 green candles, 1 bearish candle, retracement. Then again higher highs, then retracement, again higher highs, retracement. Now if you look at for last 4 to 5 weeks, it has just based itself at 2.5 levels. Now after retracing for a couple of weeks, you can see one big bullish candle has appeared here. Now this is coming after couple of retracement or red candles. This suggests that it can continue with the next bullish candle here. Next is see the size of the candle first of all. It started from 2.6, went till towards 3.05 levels. Now the total move is 4.5 cents. And if you look at the closer of the candle, it is precisely at slightly higher, or you can say at 50% of the complete move. This suggests that it has still got the bullishness, though it has retraced, but it is still staying bullish. Now, another point which you should note is the support it is looking at 2.8 and 2.76 zone. In fact, 2.8 and 2.7 zone. Very important support here. Only if you see it trading below 2.7 and then the next support at 2.6, if these two levels are breached or broken, then you can say that NatGas is reversing and you should avoid all the long positions and go short only below 2.6. Still, even if you look at the downside, it has got very strong support here. I do not see it breaking these support levels any point of time in near future. Coming to the daily chart. Now look at the daily chart. See what has happened. See the rise, the flag formation, and then this breakout. After forming the flag, it has given a very strong breakout at this position also. We have recommended on the daily charts, on my daily analysis, that yes, you can stay long about 2.76 levels. It is going to break past, and see precisely what we had discussed is beyond 2.8, close your eyes, stay long. We are going to look at $3 levels. Precisely this is done. Now look at just last two candles. First of all, this candle has completely erased the gains from the previous candle. Next candle was of consolidation, and it is a swing candle. It is a doji candle. Now next week, if you see it trading below 2.76, then only I will recommend you to go short on NatGas, and you can expect 2.7 as the next support. Now 2.7, 2.68 zone, the great support here. Below that, we may see it hitting 2.6. Remember, till 2.48, we are not going to treat NatGas as bearish. It is just a retracement which it may try to achieve. At the same time, one red candle, if it stays above the zone at 2.9, you can say that it is trying to reverse, and it is again going to form the double top levels at $3 levels. So this is another observation. Remember, this is a breakout which it may try to continue for a little while. It can stress the rally for a little while. What has happened here? You can see this. After the rise, one red candle, retracement, and then series of green candles. The same thing can appear here again. So we have to be watchful. And in fact, any dip till towards the 2.5 levels is an opportunity for you to accumulate more, to buy more, to stay long in the NatGas. Now let's have a look at the monthly charts. On the monthly chart, see, one bullish candle, then a sideways swing candle or red candle, then another bullish candle, then sideways a swing candle and red candle, and now again another bullish candle here. Now see, bottom here is seen, almost double bottom is done, and it is trying to retrace. Now if you look at, see this candle and this candle, the body size is consistently increased, and if you look at the movement here, 2.3 to almost 2.8 levels here, which suggests for the rest of the month in August, natural gas has long way to go on the upside. Right now, it has almost got the resistance at the same zone, but I will be looking forward to 3.2 levels in this month itself, and hence I am again saying you can still go on buying or accumulating more till it respects, or as long as it respects 2.48 levels here. Remember, 2.4 is now is the baseline for natural gas here. This is the first observation. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. Indicators on the monthly chart, the 20 and 50 period moving average sitting at around $4 levels here, which is a little far away levels, and it is on the verge of a crossover, that is a bearish cross. So yes, a retracement on natural gas is must. Possibly we might look forward to $4 levels in the near future, maybe in a month or so, or maybe in a couple of months. But yes, these levels are a must for natural gas in a near time frame. Second is the stochastic, which was oversold, it is now trying to recover. At the same time, MACD, which was trading with a fat belly here, it has now started to converge. Possibly this candle may yield or may try to converge more, which means that this candle is going to remain in green. RSI almost flat, it is not showing any bullish intent as of now. Coming to the weekly chart. Now on the weekly charts, you can see that now the 20 period moving average, it has crossed over and it is marching till towards the 50 period and 100 period moving average, which is now situated at around 3.6 to $4 levels. Yes, there is a gap also which needs to be filled and which might get filled sooner or later till towards 4.2 levels. That is why I say yes, there is little more bullishness left here. Also, if you look at it, has to come out of this channel in order to confirm the breakout, and hence any point of time if you see it trading above 3.2, yes, further to that it is not going to look back anymore. It is going to give a very strong bullish momentum from here. Now see, when it dropped, it is given sharp escalating bearishness, so a rise can be equally sharp, or at least even if it turns partially sharp, or you can say half the momentum it carries here, it could try to definitely achieve 4 to $4.2 levels. But specifically next week, one more thing that see, the Bollinger Bands has narrowed and it is now trying to push the limits of the Bollinger Bands, and hence we can expect bullishness in natural gas, which could further try to expand the Bollinger Bands here, and hence second green candle in making can be expected. Stochastic is now starting to look upwards on the weekly charts. While the MACD is still trading with the bullish bias, it is trading with divergence, and RSI is also looking upwards, staying bullish here. On the daily chart, see the moving averages 20 and 50 crossed over here. Now they've started to look upwards with a positive gradient, and hence we can see escalating bullishness, which may try to pull the moving average little up here. At the same time, why there is a pullback? See, first of all, it stayed outside Bollinger Band, so you've seen it getting a pullback. At the same time, the prices were too much divergent from the moving average, and hence we could expect a little pullback, and that is why I say till 2.7, 2.64, 2.6 levels, it's also you should not treat natural gas as bearish. Stochastic has dropped, it was slightly overbought earlier, while on the, you can say, MACD, it has just crossed over. It traded with divergence, trying to converge a bit, and hence couple of red candles can be expected before looking forward to more bullishness. RSI has also retraced here and now trading comfortable. So we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy for you so that you can trade profitably next week. Before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 25th batch is going to start on first week of September. We only take limited intake so that we can focus on each and every one and we can deliver the quality. And that is why register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Remember, this is the only investment which can reap lifetime profits for you. Nothing can give you lifetime profits, but yes, education is one thing which can give you or reap lifetime profits, and hence invest in your education, learn from the expert, learn from the tools, techniques, and strategies which we have acquired and defined for the after over the years of experience. So equip yourself with those strategies. Reach out to me for more details. Also, you can be part of my signals channel. Reach out to me for more details again. Now let's have a look where to buy, and let me summarize. See, first of all, natural gas is now in a bullish trajectory. It has touched the support levels, resistance levels on the upside at 3.05, and it has got very good support at around 2.7, 2.6, and ultimately 2.4. In the near term, as long as it respects 2.48 levels, we should not treat this as bearish. Every drop is an opportunity for you to accumulate more, such that you can profit. We are looking forward to 4.2 levels in the near future, maybe a couple of months down the lane. But yes, right now, if you look at on the daily charts, couple of red candles can be expected. A retracement till towards 2.7 or 2.65 can be expected, but from there it will try to take off again. And then if you see it trading above, after dropping, if you see it trading above 2.8, 2.9 zone, you should stay long. We are looking forward to 3.2 as the first target, and beyond that 3.6 levels can also be expected. Now considering this, let me give you the trading levels. First point is where you should buy. I will recommend you to buy here at 2.86 levels. Beyond that, you can expect 2.9, 2.94, and $3 levels. Now 3 is going to be an extremely important resistance level here, and this is where it is going to get the first resistance. This is the second resistance, and then 3.05. Once it stays above 3.05, we are going to look at $3.2 levels. It will hit 3.2 very fast in a speedy way, and beyond 3.2, the next target is going to be 3.38 levels, and then 3.6 levels. Though it is going to, these levels are little bit distant, little far, but these levels will get achieved as and when it gets or it breaches a milestone. It increases the chance for it to move till towards the next destination, and that is why the destinations are moving far away from here. Now on the downside, where you should sell here, I will recommend you to sell here at 2.8. However, remember 2.76 is the greatest support here. Below 2.76 is where we may see little more drop, which will take it till towards 2.7, the next support. Now this is the first milestone. This is the first, this is the second milestone. These two are very critical support levels. On the downside, in fact, 2.65 and 2.6 are also great support, and then we will see till 2.48, every half a cent, every 0.5 levels, you will find a great support for natural gas, and you will find an opportunity for you to buy at these levels. If you see it reversing, first of all, if you've taken a sell entry, keep moving your stop losses to these levels, keep booking profits, and if you see a reversal sign, just check out my daily trades, daily analysis. Definitely it will give you a hint that it is trying to reverse, and then you can buy. So you can accumulate, start buying from those levels, and hence trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.